Hello and welcome to our Sirix tutorial. Here, you will learn how to effectively use the platform to become an expert trader. First things first, what exactly is Sirix? Sirix is an award-winning trading platform designed to cater to a wide range of traders, regardless of their experience level. It stands out for its intuitive, user-friendly interface, allowing for a seamless trading experience. Once you have registered to challengefortrading.com, and have chosen the challenge you desire to start, you will be directed to your dashboard. Here on the My Challenges page, you will see a list of all the challenges you have initiated. For each challenge, you'll be presented with two choices, Trade Now and Stats. While we will revisit the Stats page later to track your challenge progress, let's focus on the Trade Now option. Clicking on Trade Now will take you directly to your trading environment where you'll engage in the core trading activities. Your trading environment is composed of 6 essential parts, each designed to help you perfect your trading strategies and execute trades effectively. Let's explore each of these components in detail. The first part is the asset area. Here, you can view and manage the assets you would like to trade. You can see the current sell and buy prices, search for specific assets, and organize them by categories such as stocks, currencies, and commodities. Next, we have the buying and selling area. This is where you define the actions you want to take on your chosen assets. You can quickly execute buy and sell orders with just one click, making trading fast and efficient. Even though these actions can be performed directly from the asset list, Sirix chose to give it a dedicated area. The heart of trading is the trading graph. Here, you can study the price movements of your selected assets using various tools and indicators. This helps you make informed trading decisions based on real-time data. In the Account Overview section, you can keep track of your trading finances. This includes your equity, free margin, used margin, open profit loss, balance margin level, and credit. It's essential for monitoring your account's health and performance. Next, we have the social trading area. Here, you can see what other traders are doing and choose to follow their strategies. You can even choose to automatically copy the position the trader takes. This can be a great way to learn from experienced traders and gain insights into market trends. Finally, we have the signal area. This section provides you with trading signals that can help you make better trading decisions. These signals are based on market analysis and can give you a competitive edge. Now that we have had an overview of the different areas of the trading platform, we will focus on each area in detail. The next video will focus on the asset list area, area number 1,